Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. Today, we will learn how to fill out your 1099 form for 2025 quickly and accurately. The process is almost the same as in previous years, but there are a few important details to keep in mind. The two most common forms are the 1099, which is mainly used for independent contractors and freelancers, and the 1099 MISC for reporting other types of income. In this video, we'll focus on the 1099 NEC, since it's the one most businesses and contractors deal with. First, make sure you obtain the official IRS form. You can get it directly from the IRS, buy it at an office supply store, or use tax preparation software. The form comes in multiple copies, one for the IRS, one for the recipient, and one for your own records. Once you have it, start by filling in the payer's information. This includes your business name, address, phone number, and your EIN or social security number. Then move to the recipient's details, their full name, address, and taxpayer identification number. If you don't have their taxpayer ID, you'll need to ask them to complete a W-9 form. Next, report the non-employee compensation. In box 1, enter the total amount you paid the contractor during 2024. Remember, this only covers actual. Service payments don't include reimbursements or non-service expenses. If you had to withhold taxes, enter that information in the backup withholding box. After completing the form, it's time to file with the IRS. The deadline is January 31st, 2025, whether you're filing electronically or by mail. You must also provide the contractor with their copy by the same deadline. Don't forget to check your state's requirements. Some states require you to submit a separate 1099 filing. Finally, avoid common mistakes that can cost you penalties. Always double-check the taxpayer identification number, make sure you're using the correct form, and never miss the filing deadline. And that's it. Filling out a 1099 form may sound intimidating, but if you follow these steps and stay organized, it becomes a straightforward process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe TechGetter Official.